Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aloud. Today we're reading the amazing book Peppa Pig, George's birthday. So George is having a fantastic dinosaur-themed birthday this time. George's birthday sticker story. Use the stickers in the middle of the book to complete the pictures in the story. Today is George's birthday. It is very early in the morning, says George, jumping up and down. Happy birthday, George! Happy birthday, George! Say Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. George woke me up, says Peppa. Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig have a present for George. When George opens it, he shouts, "Dinosaur!" Uh-oh, squeeze it, dummy, says Daddy Pig. George's new dinosaur roars. Laughs George. A splendid new toy. Peppa has made George a card. When George opens the card, he shouts, "Dinosaur!" We're going somewhere very special for George's birthday treat, says Mommy Pig. Yippee, says Peppa, and off they all go. The family arrives at the museum. George, what do you like best in the whole world? Asks Daddy Pig. Dinosaur, says George. George's birthday treat is a visit to the dinosaur room, says George, jumping up and down. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, says a great big dinosaur. George is very surprised and starts to cry. Don't be frightened, George. It's not a real dinosaur, explains Mommy Pig. George loves the robot dinosaur. Surprise! Peppa and George's friends are here. Mommy Rabbit has made the birthday cake for George. It's a dinosaur cake, says Peppa. Happy birthday, George, shouts everyone. There's one last surprise, says Daddy Pig. Everyone follows Daddy Pig outside. What's that? Asks Peppa, looking at George's surprise. Daddy Pig switches on a pump. It just needs to be filled with air, he says. It's a bouncy castle, Peppa cries. No, it's a dinosaur! A bouncy dinosaur! Shouts Peppa. Dinosaur! Says George. The end. I'm sure you enjoyed this book we read. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more books we read aloud together. It's a nice sticker book. Here are the stickers. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.